Hello friends, subscribe my channel. IDP examination based question provide my channel. It is the most important question. Let's start. Some people think the main benefit of the international cooperation is in the protection of the environment, while others think that the main benefit is in the world business. Discuss the both view and give your opinion. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਕੁਝ ਲੋਕੀ ਸੋਚਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਖਾਸ ਬੈਨੀਫਿਟ ਫਾਇਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਫੋਰਨ ਪਾਲਿਸੀਆਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਇਨਵਾਇਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਨੂੰ ਬੈਲੈਂਸ ਰੱਖਦੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਕੁਝ ਲੋਕੀ ਕੀ ਸੋਚਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਖਾਸ ਫਾਇਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਕੰਟਰੀਆਂ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਦੇ ਕਨੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਚਲਾਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ। ਹੁਣ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਸਟੇਟਮੈਂਟ ਉੱਤੇ ਵਿਊ ਦੇਣੇ ਆ ਆਪਣਾ BP1 ਤੇ BP2 ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਗਿਵ ਯੂ ਓਪੀਨੀਅਨ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਓਪੀਨੀਅਨ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਉਹ ਕਨਕਲੂਜਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ। ਚਲੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਪਹਿਲੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੰਟਰੋਡਕਸ਼ਨ ਬਣਾਵਾਂਗੇ। ਇੰਟਰੋਡਕਸ਼ਨ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ, ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਨੂੰ ਰੀਫਰੇਜ਼ ਕਰਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਬਣਾਉਣੀ ਹੈ ਥੀਸਿਸ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ 'ਚ ਆਪਾਂ BP1 ਤੇ BP2 ਵਿੱਚ ਆਨਸਰ ਆਪਣਾ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ। ਚਲੋ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। It is often said that almost each country has a specific foreign policy to make the connection with the various countries all over the world in order to meet their needs. Hence, some individuals believe that the chief benefit of this is to maintain the environment, whereas others reckon that the global trade is the objective. In my opinion, the purpose of the linking cover both. The conversation of the earth is the one of the significant topic of the thought in the 21st century. For this reason, a convention between the societies is performed each year with the aim of tackling the problems and finding the convenient solution. For the example, global warming issues such as climate change and deforestation are the paramount of the theme discussed around the world with the purpose of the lessening the mentioned issue. BP2, on the other hand, all the nations do the business and some other go into the partnership with the exterior company with the help of the fostering their economic growth. For instance, tons of the thousands of the date palms are produced and will be exported outside the country in order to fulfill the economic situation and have to balance the finance. Although there is a river border contract between the countries, the substantially target for this is misusing it. They can take the advantage of it by acquiring some financial privilege. All the things considered, even through many meetings are held over the world each year regarding dealing with the global problems and defining the appropriate method to mitigate them. However, trading dispute and making a fortune is more likely to be done by the communities. Overall, the capital and the countries are both capital and environmental.
Subscribe it for new update about
Thanks
the
for
IDP
watching my channel. Please like
question.
it and subscribe it for new update about the IDP examination based question.